बताए, राम से चल के राम पे आए। प्रेम कोई हमें और न जाने, राम से रूठे राम से माने। राम सिया की करुण कहानी, एक है चंदन एक है पानी। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। 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 तेरे नाम घूमता ना तेरे नाम आदि का तेरे नाम आदि का तेरे नाम आदि का ना तेरे नाम आदि का ना तेरे नाम आदि का ना तेरे नाम आदि का बोला
Sakyabhuta Manusya means human being is the main witness of the things that happen. In this world, good and bad incidents happen at every place and every moment. Various objects in context with each other become the witness of the incident. Non-living things like stone, etc. and living things like human being, animals, birds, etc. become the witness of the incident. Because of one peculiarity, this witnessing object plays different roles. With non-living things like stone, stays without doing anything and become the witness of the incident. Living things like animals like cow, buffalo runs away from the place of the incident to save themselves. Nothing else can be expected from both of them. But man's situation is a little different, such as the person witnessing the incident feels sorrow for the afflicted person. He is active to help the victim and perform his duty. He also learns the lessons from it. Nowadays, due to heavy traffic, many road accidents take place. In this situation, many things is expected from the eyewitness, but they are not fulfilled. So, it is our duty to help the victim or afflicted person. Thank you. Now, let's see Ram.
मार्गे दुर्घटनाया साक्षी रव्यके भवन्ति किं सत्य आचरन्ति इति विषय अधिकृत्य Sunita परस्परं संवदत्. Sunita and Punita are talking with each other about who are the witnesses when an accident takes place and what should they do. वयं नाम पुनीता सन्ति. We are translating Punita's words in English. वयं नाम सुनीता सन्ति. We are translating Sunita's words in English. प्रातः मार्गे कदाचित् दुर्घटना अपि घटन्ति. तत्र प्रायः प्रस्तरादयो जडपदार्थाः गवादयो पशवः मनुष्याश्चेति त्रयः साक्षिणः भवन्ति. किं त्वं जानासि यत् घटिताया दुर्घटनाया सन्दर्भे एते त्रयो अपि भिन्नं कर्म समाचरन्ति. न जानामि. प्रथमं कथयन्तु यत्
प्रस्तरादयः किं कुर्वन्ति? प्रस्तरादयस्तु अचेतनः. ते स्वयं क्रिया कर्तुं समर्थाः न भवन्ति, अतः ते तथैव सचेतनाः. पशवः पक्षिणश्च किं कुर्वन्ति? एते घटनाया उत्थिता ध्वने भयम् अनुभवन्ति, अतः घटनास्थले दूरे धावन्ति. सत्यं वदति भवान्. पक्षिणश्च निर्बुद्धयः सन्ति, परन्तु पक्षी सबुद्धि मानवो अपि यदि घटनास्थले दूरे धावन्ति तर्हि ते पशुरेव स्तः. the stone stood. But the object like stones are inanimate. They do not know anything. So they say, well, we are. What do beasts and birds who are living things do? They experience fear due to the noise arising by the accident. So they go away from the place of accident. What you said is true. But beasts like cows are dull. Many men who have intelligence runs away from the place of accident. Then he is surely a beast only. वस्तुतस्तु मनुष्यः यदि मनुष्यः इव वर्तते तदा सः दुर्घटनायाः साक्षी भूत्वा त्रिविधं कार्यम् आचरति.
कानि कानि त्रिविधानि कार्याणि.
प्रथम कार्यम् अस्ति दुःखानुभूति. मनुष्य एवं दुःखं दुःखितो भवति गूढाति सुखेन च सुखितः. यज्ञं फलो एतादृशं जीवं न भवामि.
यथार्थ भवनः मयापि वधूका अपरिचितं दुर्घटनाग्रस्तं जनं पश्यता दुःख अनुभूत अस्ति. द्वितीयं कार्यं किमस्ति?
द्वितीयं कार्यं तु कर्तव्यः निर्वहः. दुर्घटनाक्षेत्रं मनुष्यस्य रक्तस्य भवति दातव्यं. येन तस्य परिवारजनः दातव्यं सूचना भवति चेत् यः वयं तस्यां कर्तव्यस्य आगत्य. Actually, if a man behaves like a man, he performs 3 types of work. What are 3 types of work? The first work is experiencing sorrow. Man alone has the ability to be sad by the others and happy with others. So, having seen the accident, one should feel sorrow. But the one who does not experience sorrow, in spite of watching such a soul in a bad situation, is not at all a man, but he is surely a stone. Because a stone never feels the unhappiness of the others, but a man does. You have said the right thing. Even I have often experienced sorrow on seeing an unknown person being afflicted by the accident. What is the second type of work? The second one, of course, is performing the duty. A person afflicted by the accident should be immediately hospitalized so that the right treatment might be given to him. Accompanying him there, if there is any necessity of the blood, one's own blood should be given to him. Intimation should also be sent to his family so that the special help from the family comes to the hospital. And this is the duty of the one who witnesses the accident.
तृतीयं कार्यं किमस्ति? यथा घटनायाः साक्षी मनुष्य आचरेत्. तृतीयं कार्यम् अस्ति बोधप्राप्ति. मनुष्येन सदैव बोधप्राप्तये प्रयत्नः करणीयो भवति. यदा वयं कस्यचित् दुर्घटनायाः साक्षी भवामः तदा कर्तव्यं समाचरेन्तः दुःखमनुभवन्तः तत्र जनस्य बोधमपि प्राप्तव्य एव. विना कारणं दुर्घटनाया न भवति. तत्र दुर्घटनाया कश्चित् बोधाप्ति तत्र एव सा तत्र गन्तव्यं. विना कारणं दुर्घटना न भवति. तदनन्तरं तदृशी कृतिमहं न कदापि करिष्यामीति बोधमपि प्राप्तव्य एव.
What is the third work of a man who is witness of the accident should do? The third work is learning a lesson. When we are feeling sorrow after performing duty, man has ability to learn the lesson from that accident. When we are witness of some accident, by performing sorrow, performing our duty, we should also feel moral from that accident. The accident should not happen without the mistake. The fault or mistake of someone is the main reason of accident. After that, the lesson and the capability of man that this mistake should not be repeated should also be done.
कथितं भवता घटना संतं कर्तव्यं निर्वहन्तोऽपि दुःखमनुभूयन्तोऽपि यदि वयं बोधप्राप्तं न पातुं तदा वयं मनुष्य न.
You have said well. While witnessing an incident, even performing duty, feeling sorry also. If you do not leave any kind of mistakes, you are not a human being.
Sharma, Sunita and Punita rightly point out that the man should not be a mere onlooker or a passive witness. Like a good Samritan, he should do whatever he can to rescue and help out the victims. Generally, most of the people hesitate or press victims because of fear of police harassment and legal hassles. Even we, as human beings, should carry out the threefold duty suggested in the drama. So, the moral of the story is we should be sensitive and sensible human beings, especially when our fellow human beings are afflicted by an accident. धन्यवाद.
वित्तोऽसि पितामह एक पुत्र विनाशात् अर्जुनस्य तावत् ईदृशीं खलु अवस्था का पुनर्भवतो भविष्यति ततः शीघ्रम् इदानीम् आत्मबलाधानं कुरुष्व यथा ते पुत्र शोकसमुत्थितो अग्निं दहेत् प्राणमयं हविरिति.
Listen, grandfather, child Abhimanyu, oh my child, the pride of Kuru dynasty, the scion of Yadu family, you have left me and your mother and your maternal uncle too, and have gone to the heaven in the hope of meeting your grandfather. Grandfather, such is the pride of Arjun, as the result of death of one's son. So then what will be yours? So quickly summon up all the strength of your soul, so that the fire rising from the grief of your son should not burn your life.
निर्जितं वसुंधरा वाके वाके यदि भवे सर्व सत्र वद कुटा.
If it were possible to
शकुनि रेष व्यहरति गो शकुने अक्षान् विमुच्य भवान् योग्यः.
This is Shakuni speaking. Oh Shakuni, leave the die and be prepared to fight with the arrows.
वो बहु प्रकृतिं गतः वयमपि खलु रुद्र राक्षसो ग्रस्वभावा.
It is faith is original nature. We too are terrible, having the fierce nature of the demons.
शान्तं पापं राक्षसेभ्योऽपि एव भवत् क्रूरतरः कुतः न तु जतुगृहे सुप्तान् भ्रातॄन् दहन्ति निशाचराः शिरसि न तथा भ्रातॄन् पत्नीं.
Going to city daily for begging, one day Guru and his disciple decided to go little earlier than the usual time. Knowing the value of time, Guru asked the disciple to read during this period sitting in a garden which come in his way. The scene presented here is about when both Guru and disciple enter in a garden. Shadilyas for human. However, an aged person become an impression of the tale told by his mother and settled down in his mind can never be removed. The answer of the question why one should learn is also understood from the dialogue offered here. So let us start the drama in which the role of Shadilya.
Trimarta, this is the garden. Pravisha Agradava. Go ahead. One, Eva Purata Pravishatu. Avam Pusata Pariswami. Trimarta himself should enter the garden first. Kimartam. Why so? Purani Kyaman Matrishitam. Ashok Panyavantavar. Niru Varta. Prativakati. Sada Bhagwan Eva Purata Pravishatu. Avam Pusata Pariswami. I have heard from my mother heaven 12 words in instant legend that usually there is a hidden tiger behind the leaves of the opoka tree. Madam, fine. Aviha. Yadrena Bhumito Kami. Motya Firma. Yadram Father. Anada Eva. Yadrena Bhumito Kami. Alas, fine. Yamkalam Diram. Prastavati Kantatu. Alas, I am caught by a tiger. Save me from the throat of the tiger. I am being eaten by the tiger. And I am an orphan. Indeed, this is the blood flowing from the throat. Shandilya, na bekvayam. Mayuraha khalu eshah. Shandilya, you need not fear. Don't be afraid. Indeed, this is a peacock. Satyam Mayuraha. Is it really a peacock? Atha, Kim, Satyam Mayuraha. Why so? It is really a peacock. Yadi Mayuraha, Uddaryami Ashini. If it is a peacock, then I am opening my eyes. Chandadaha.
you please? Arita, that's your footnote. Vyadrena, Mapina, Mayura Rupam, Rata, Mandapa, Manditam, Sukha Maho, Ramniya, Idam, Udyanam. As this breath, tiger is being afraid of me. Runs away, assuming the form of a peacock. Ah, how beautiful indeed is this pleasant of garden. Like Champak, Kadamba, Chamdan, Sagar, Kabir, and Padmi trees, and having more of multi-creeper. Look, Shane Shane Shiyamani Sarire Kittiram, Agachavata, Atatavat. Oh, you fool, when every moment of one's body is twisting, what is beautiful for you? Come, child, now learn for a while. Not Avata Panishyami. No, I'm not going to recite now. Kimartam, why, sir? Padanasya, Tavata, Artha, Naku Ichami. Learning is not required without reciting. Padikpadeyati kalantarvikniya bhavanti padanartha tasmat padhatavat. The meaning of what they recite is likely to be understood after a certain time, even by those who have learned lessons. Therefore, recite now. Pathanem kim bhavishyati. What will by reciting? Shruno. Pathanem vina na prapyate vidya. Na vidya vina shokyam. Nayanam jayate dhruvam. Ato dharmartha mokshebhyo vidya vyasam samachare. Listen, learning is not required without hesitation. Men do not achieve permanent happiness without learning. So one should pursue study for attaining of religious merit, wealth, and liberation. The moral of the story is the true happiness is not attainable without earning knowledge, and that story is crucial for both the religious merit and the worldly success. Thank you.
Present. Living in Dharanagar, the fame that Raja Bhoja attained at that time is still alive today. Even today, many interesting stories of his good governance, his ability to meet even the most difficult circumstances, and his ability to recognize the learned are popular. The collection of such stories in Sanskrit called Bhoja Prabandha are very well known. In this, many stories related to Raja Bhoja are described with many different aesthetic poetic qualities. In addition to this, Sanskrit poets of different periods have accepted Raja Bhoja as a character to present their ideas. One such story in dialogue form is presented here, focusing on Bhoja. In this dialogue between Raja Bhoja and the young scholar, it has been attempted to emphasize the strength of one thing over the other. As the conversation progresses, there is a total halt when it comes to the point of contentment. That is, this story is stressed on the importance of contentment.
अशी अतः तस्य राजसभायां दूरदेशात् अनेके विद्याधिकारिणः पण्डिताः समागच्छन्ति स्म। एकदा भोजः प्रासादस्य उपविष्टः आसीत्। सः मार्गे एक नवागन्तुम् अन्नभिन्नं युवकं पश्यन्ति। तस्य परिचयं ज्ञातुं सः तं प्रसादे आगच्छति। ततस्य मध्ये एवं वार्तालापं कुर्वन्ति।
भवान् कः वर्तते श्रीमान्?
Who are you? Aham Gat Panditam Asmi.
I am Gat Pandit.
गट्पण्डितः? किं नाम गट्पण्डितः इति?
Pandit, what indeed does Gat Pandit mean? यथा घटे परिपूर्णं जलं तिष्ठति तथैव मयि परिपूर्णं ज्ञानं वर्तते अतः अहं स्वतमानं Gat Panditam मन्ये.
Thus then there is water filled up to its brim in the pitcher. Like that there is full of knowledge in me. So I consider myself to be Gat Pandit.
यदि त्वं घटः असि तर्हि अहं मद्गरत्वेन वर्तते। मद्गरः स्वकीयेन प्रहारेण घटः विनाशयति। अहमपि घटरूपं त्वं विनाशयामि।
If you are a pitcher, then I am the hammer. The hammer breaks the pitcher by its own stroke. Similarly, I will also destroy you. भवान् यदि मुद्गारत्वेन भितरि अस्ति तर्हि अहम् अग्नि भवामि। धन कर्म अग्नि भूत्वा मुद्गारं भस्म करिष्यामि।
If you are like hammer, then I will become fire. Becoming fire which does the work of burning. Like that I will reduce the hammer into ash. यदि त्वं बर्हित्वेन वर्तिष्यसे तर्हि अहं वृष्टे भविष्यामि वृष्टे पुरतः बर्हि स्थातुं न शक्नोति तथा त्वमपि मम पुरतः स्थातुं न शक्नोषि.
If you become fire, then I shall become rain. Fire cannot stand before rain. Similarly, you cannot stand in me.
पृष्ठम तु वायु स्वबोलेन तत्र कृतापि पृष्ठम कृत्वाम भवान्तमः वायु भवान इतः ततः च वहिष्यामि.
But wind is able to blow the rain easily with its own force. Becoming the wind, I will also blow it here and there when you are in the form of rain. यदि तर्हि वातत्वेन वर्तिष्यसे तर्हि अहं वायुभक्षकः भुजगः भविष्यामि भुजगः सन् सततं वायुरूपं त्वं भक्षिष्यामि.
If you are wind, then I am snake eating wind. Being a snake, I will eat you who has assumed the form of wind constantly.
भवान् यदि सर्प भविष्यति तर्हि अहं सर्पभक्षो गरुडचहित.
If you are the snake, then I will become eagle eating snake. यदि त्वं गरुडः असि तर्हि अहं चक्रधारकः विष्णु विष्णु गरुडारूढः भवति.
If you are an eagle, I am the Vishnu holding Sudarshan Chakra. Vishnu rides on an eagle.
भवान् यदि चक्रधार विष्णु तर्हि अहं भवकः मस्तकस्य शोभायां मुकुटमस्मि मुकुटं सदा मस्तकस्य उपरि च संतिष्ठते.
If you are the Vishnu holding chakra, then I am the crown that looks beautiful on the head, and the crown stays always on the head. तर्हि मुकुटस्य उपरि शोभमानं पुष्पमहम् एवमहम् अधुना तव उपरि स्थास्यामि.
Then I am the flower which looks beautiful on the ground. Similarly, I shall be above you.
भवान् यदि पुष्पः भविष्यति तर्हि अहं भ्रमरो भूत्वा पुष्पस्तरि स्थास्यामि.
If you are the flower, then I will become a bee and be on your head. एवं द्विरेफः तर्हि अहं सूर्यः पुष्पस्य अन्तः स्थितः भ्रमरः सूर्यास्तारे बन्दी भवति अहमपि त्वं बन्दिनं करिष्यामि.
If you become bee, then I am the sun. The bee which is inside the flower at the time of the sunset becomes a prisoner. Similarly, I will also make you a prisoner.
भवान् सूर्यस्तरि अहं महाप्रभावी राहुस्तु सूर्यग्रस्ते.
Oh, if you are the sun, then I will become very powerful Rahu, and Rahu swallows the sun. त्वं यदि राहुश्चेत् तर्हि अहं राहुरूपाय तुभ्यं दानं दास्यामि. दानग्रहण तवायं सर्व निश्चयेन शान्त भविष्यति.
If you are Rahu, then I am the one which gives money to you who has assumed the form of Rahu. These prides of yours will surely be subdued.
भवान् यदि दानी तर्हि अहं सन्तुष्ट. अहं दानस्य न प्रयास.
If you practice the charity, then I am the one contented. Your effort of charity will be fruitless. Being absolutely free from greed, I shall not take money offered by way of charity from you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sing with me. Shambhu, Rama.
गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
एकः बालकः आसीत्. Once there was a boy. तस्य नाम एकलव्यः आसीत्. His name was Eklavya. सः धनुर्विद्यां पठितुम् इच्छति स्म. He wished to learn archery. एकदा सः द्रोणाचार्यस्य समीपम् आगच्छत् वदच्च. Once he went to Dronacharya and said,
भवितुम् इच्छामि कृपया मां स्वीकुरु.
"Oh teacher, I too wish to become a skilled archer. Kindly accept me." आचार्यः प्रत्यवदत्. The teacher replied, "अहं कौरवान् पाण्डवान् च पाठयामि. अहं भवतः शिष्यरूपेण स्वीकारं कर्तुं न शक्नोमि." I teach the Kauravas and the Pandavas. I cannot accept you as my student. परन्तु आचार्यं प्रति तस्य श्रद्धा शिथिला न अभवत्. But his faith towards his teacher did not waver. सः आचार्यस्य द्रोणस्य एकां मूर्तिम् अर्चयत्. And he made a statue of Acharya Drona. सः प्रतिदिनं मूर्तिम् अनमत्. He would bow down to the statue every day. प्रातःकालात् सायं पर्यन्तं धनुर्विद्याः अभ्यासम् अकरोत्. He would practice archery from morning to evening. सः कुशल धनुर्धरः अभवत्. Slowly he became a skilled archer. एकदा तस्मिन् गणे गुरुद्रोणः पाण्डवेन कौरवेन च सह आगच्छत्. Once Guru Drona came to the forest with the Kauravas and the Pandavas. एक कुकुरः तान् रुष्टवा अभसत्. On seeing them, a dog started barking. अर्जुनः धनुष्यम् उत्प्यति स्म. Arjuna picked up the bow. तद्य एकलव्यः बाणेन एकस्य कुकुरस्य मुखम् अस्वियत्. That instant, Eklavya stitched up the dog's mouth with a knife. द्रोणाचार्यः एतत् रुष्टवा तत्र आगच्छत् तं च उप्रचत्. On seeing this, Dronacharya went to Eklavya and asked, "Who is your teacher?" तदा सः द्रोणाचार्यं तां मूर्तिम् अदर्शयत्. And Eklavya showed him the statue. एकलव्यः गुरुश्रद्धायाः सहश्रद्धायाः च प्रतीकम् अस्ति. Eklavya is an example of faith in the teacher and self-confidence. एकलव्यः आस्मान् शिक्षयति. स्वयं ज्योति स्वयं प्रज्ञा भवतु. Eklavya teaches us, become your own light and discerning intelligence. यदि आत्मासु आत्मश्रद्धा अस्ति तर्हि प्राप्ति सिद्धि दुर्लभा नास्ति. If we have self-confidence, then no achievement will be impossible for us to attain. अन्तरम् आत्मश्रद्धायाः बलेन सह श्रेष्ठः धनुर्धरः अभवत्. Then he became the best archer on the face of the earth with strength and self-confidence. धन्यवाद.
6 में तो अभी पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया. 7 से लेके 10 तक के स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत अच्छे से ड्रामा पेश किया जिसके अंदर हमें सब कुछ सीखने को मिला. इसके अंदर 22 लैंग्वेज है. जानते हो नहीं जानते? तो उन 22 लैंग्वेज में संस्कृत भाषा भी है. संस्कृत भाषा का महत्व बहुत है. विज्ञान के अंदर भी संस्कृत है. जैसे आगे प्रियंका मैम ने हमें बताया कि श्रावण मास चल रहा है अभी. तो श्रावण मास में कंठे संस्कृतम कालिदासो जने जने कंठे कंठे संस्कृतम ग्रामे ग्रामे नगरे नगरे गेहे गेहे संस्कृतम कालिदासो जने जने कंठे कंठे संस्कृतम सरला भाषा मधुरा भाषा दिव्य भाषा संस्कृतम. सरला भाषा मधुरा भाषा दिव्य भाषा संस्कृतम. मुनिजन वाणी कविजन वाणी बुद्धजन वाणी संस्कृतम. कालिदासु गणे जने कंठे कंठे संस्कृतम. तद्विहारी कार्यक्षेत्री वार्ता
यद्भासा संस्कृतं कालिदासो जने जने कंठे कंठे संस्कृतं स्थाने स्थाने भारतदेशे सदने सदने संस्कृतं स्थाने स्थाने भारतदेशे सदने सदने संस्कृतं कालिदासो जने जने कंठे कंठे संस्कृतं ग्रामे ग्रामे नगरे नगरे गेहे गेहे संस्कृतं कालिदासो जने जने कंठे कंठे संस्कृतम् अस्तु। कियं धनं प्राप्तं तस्य ज्ञानार्थं धनं गणनां करोति। द्वितीयचोरः व्यर्थश्रमं न करोतु। वर्तमानपत्रे वार्ताम् आगमस्यति एव ततः गणनाज्ञानं भविष्यति। इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि एक बार दो चोर बैंक लूटकर घर आते हैं और बातचीत कर रहे होते हैं कि हमने आज कितनी चोरी की, कितने पैसों की चोरी की, वो हम काउंट कर लेते हैं। तो दूसरे चोर ने क्या कहा कि काउंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, दूसरे दिन न्यूज़पेपर में ये आ ही जाएगा कौन सी बैंक में से कितने पैसे की चोरी हुई, ठीक है, तो हमें व्यर्थ मेहनत नहीं करनी। ओके,
वेरी गुड। मेषः का अर्थ होता है शिप। शिप को संस्कृत में मेषः कहते हैं। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है 7th स्टैंडर्ड के लिए। पर्वतः मानी माउंटेन, राइट आंसर। पर्वतः का अर्थ होता है माउंटेन। 6th स्टैंडर्ड के लिए नकुलः, प्रियांशी तन्वी, नकुलः क्या सही है? ओके, माइनस करो, इसने सही से उच्चारण नहीं किया। 7th स्टैंडर्ड के लिए रंध्रिका, पंच। रंध्रिका का अर्थ है पंच, सही है। 6th स्टैंडर्ड पेटिका, सूटकेस। पेटिका का अर्थ है सूटकेस, 1 पॉइंट। 7th स्टैंडर्ड के लिए अग्नि पेटिका, प्रिंसी, मैच बॉक्स, सही आंसर है। अग्नि पेटिका मीन्स मैच बॉक्स। 6th स्टैंडर्ड कृष्ण फलकम, जैनेवी, ब्लैक बोर्ड। कृष्ण फलकम मीन्स ब्लैक बोर्ड। 7th के लिए पर्णम, रिद्धि, लीव्स, राइट आंसर। 6th के लिए ग्रंथः, ग्रंथः, ग्रंथ का अर्थ होता है होली बुक, राइट आंसर। 7th स्टैंडर्ड फेनकम, हाथों। फेनकम का अर्थ है शॉप, सही है। 6th स्टैंडर्ड